Hello, I'm John Connolly, a founder and VP Corporate Development at RNA Diagnostics. I'm going to tell you about a very exciting new product, the RNA Disruption Assay, or RDA, that promises to radically improve the management of breast cancer therapy. Since RNA Diagnostics was incorporated in March of 2010, we've raised over $1 million in seed funding, we've generated our first revenues, and we won first prize in 2 prestigious business plan competitions. Our experienced team of medical technology executives is led by Dr. Ken Pritzker, former Chief Pathology and Lab Medicine at Mount Sinai Hospital here in Toronto, and an internationally recognized expert in cancer diagnostics. At RNA Diagnostics, we address one of the most serious problems in breast cancer treatment today. That is, how to identify cancer chemotherapy non-responders early in treatment so that they can be spared adverse side effects and be switched quickly to alternate therapies. Now here's the problem. Half of all breast cancer patients will have chemotherapy as part of their treatment. Yet less than 25% of these patients will derive long-term benefit from the therapy. This means that over 75% of patients treated with chemotherapy derive no long-term benefit from the therapy. This is the major problem facing breast cancer specialists today. Today they have no way of knowing which of their patients will respond to chemotherapy till after the therapy is completed. RNA Diagnostics has developed the first tool that guides chemotherapy in real time to solve this problem. The RNA Disruption Assay is the only diagnostic tool that predicts early in treatment how a patient will respond to chemotherapy. It spares non-responders from adverse effects while reducing the cost of cancer treatment. RDA has been validated in a large-scale clinical trial and is protected by broad patents. The first market for our technology is breast cancer. With over 700,000 new cases each year in the developed world, breast cancer represents a market opportunity for RDA technology in excess of $500 million per year. We've already generated our first revenue from the clinical trials market. We expect rapid adoption of RDA testing because of the lack of viable alternatives and because of the dire need for an effective chemotherapy management tool. We project revenues to exceed $100 million within 6 years with gross margins over 85%. RDA optimization of chemotherapy is a unique solution to one of the most serious problems in breast cancer therapy today. RDA technology has been proven in a large-scale clinical trial and has broad patent protection. RNA Diagnostics has an experienced management team and a world-famous clinical advisory board. We have a solid plan to bring RDA technology to market within the next 24 months. This technology creates tremendous value for patients, for physicians, and for healthcare payers. Breast cancer patients need this chemotherapy management tool now. We invite you to partner with us as we bring this valuable technology to market. To learn more about our company, please visit our website at rnadiagnostics.com.